What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector on your Apple iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. And also, if you want an epic phone case like this for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. All right, with that said, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how to install my favorite kind of screen protector, which is a tempered glass screen protector. And I'm also going to show you how to install and protect your rear cameras as well on your Apple iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. So I'm going to have this link down below. It's super cheap. I think it's $7.99 at the moment of this video. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this package actually comes with 3 tempered glass screen protectors for your screen and 3 rear camera glass protectors as well. It also comes with this plastic positioning tool so that you can position your tempered glass when installing it. And you also have your alcohol prep pad and dry cleaning cloths as well. And some dust absorber stickers in case there's any leftover dust on the screen. All right, so how we're gonna install this is super simple. First thing we're gonna need to do is we're gonna need to get the alcohol prep pad. And with the alcohol prep pad, we're gonna wanna go around the entire screen to make sure we move anything that's stuck onto the screen, any sticky dirt or dust that might be on the screen. After using the wet alcohol prep pad, we're gonna use the dry cleaning cloth to dry up the screen and remove any leftover dust on the screen. If after these 2 steps, there's still dust remaining on the screen, you're gonna wanna use the dust absorber sticker here. You're gonna peel it off, and the dust absorber sticker, you just stick it onto the screen wherever you see dust, okay? And then just peel it off, and the dust will stick to the sticker. Okay, after that, your screen should be clean. Now we're ready to install the screen protector. So we're gonna go ahead and place this plastic positioning tool on top of the screen. Let's go ahead and remove our screen protector. Okay, and we're gonna wanna place it like this so that we can peel downwards. So once you're ready and your screen looks clean, free of any dust, we're gonna go ahead and peel downwards on the tempered glass. Okay, we're gonna position it on top of the phone screen here. Position it carefully and slowly so that we get it right the first time. Once you see it's perfectly positioned above the screen of the phone, we can go ahead and let it drop. Okay, and after you let it drop, you'll see that it starts sticking to the screen. You can help it out with your fingers by removing the air bubbles. Okay, once the screen protector is sticking, you can go ahead and remove this plastic piece. As you can see, we have an air bubble here. We can just squeeze it out, and this one to the top as well. And after giving it some pressure on the remaining air bubbles, the screen protector went on there perfectly. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to install the rear camera glass protector as well. Let's go ahead and position it here. Okay, we're gonna remove the camera glass protector that comes in the package. And all we have to do is just peel it off from this plastic that it comes on. Okay, just peel it off. It is gonna have a little bit of adhesive over here. And just make sure you position it properly with the little circle part here on the correct side of the cameras. Once you have it positioned properly on top of the cameras, you can go ahead and just push down on it, give it some pressure on the sides so that the adhesive sticks on properly. And there you go. Looks very aesthetic. Looks almost like if nothing is on there, and you have excellent protection now for your Apple iPhone 16 or 16 Plus. All right, everyone, so that is how you install a tempered glass screen protector and a rear camera glass protector on your Apple iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Go ahead and destroy the like button if this video helped you. Comment down below and let me know if you're getting yourself a tempered glass screen protector. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.